Here's a quick compilation of our 2020 birthday celebration. I had planned to do a Luau Themed Party, but we decided to do things virtually and still have decorations at home. The first thing I created was the paper mache letters. I used a set from a previous party and painted them with several coats of white paint. I used sticky foam flowers and placed them all over the front of the letters. I added a toy guitar from Dollar Tree to complete the look for the photo shoot. This wreath was made using a wooden aloha sign and lays on a wreath form. I made these surfboards from a large cardboard box. I cut out the shapes, drew my designs, and then painted the boards. This centerpiece can be made using any lantern you may already have. Add a faux candle and some lace to the bottom to complete the look. This plastic flamingo and a few rings can make for a simple ring toss game. I made this palm tree using an old umbrella, a green tablecloth, a plastic pot, a pool noodle, and brown craft paper. I cut the craft paper into strips and crumpled it up. I added the strips around the pool noodle and secured it with hot glue. Place the pool noodle in the bottom of the pot and used weights to keep it in place. Take the umbrella apart and use the wire pieces as a base for the leaves. The leaves were made from cutting the tablecloth into rectangular shapes and cutting strips in them so that they drape. These pineapples can be made using pre-made yellow pom-poms and green construction paper for the leaves. This gift card box can be made using a paper mache square box, light colored raffia, and luau themed foam stickers. You can paint the box and use cardboard pieces from an old box for the top. Add a slit in the side for the cards to be inserted. Glue some raffia on top and then design the box with the foam stickers. I created this number by using a foam base for the number 7. I used simple green flowers glued across the front and pink flowers for an accent. I created the candy table signs using Photoshop. I printed them out and glued them on the front of some contrasting pink cardstock. I found a simple surfboard image and cut it out using solid colored paper. I designed the info side and printed it on sticker paper. The info went on one side and floral paper was used on the back of this invitation. The treat boxes were designed using white party boxes with the luau theme image printed on sticker paper and placed on the side. Inside the box, I had custom chapstick, which involved removing the old labels and designing a new label, printing out the design and applying it to the side. These were to be the signs for the food table. These water bottle labels were also created in Photoshop and applied to the side of the bottles using tape. These straws can be made using striped straws in your color scheme and cutting out luau themed designs and using a little hot glue to apply them to the side. The banner was made using green, pink, and yellow cardstock. The yellow flags have a green topper and were applied to the top with glue. The letters are cut out from white cardstock and then everything was strung together. These silverware wraps were made using a light blue napkin, yellow, pink, and green silverware. This centerpiece was made using a pineapple, sunglasses, and flowers. Hollow out the pineapple and insert a foam piece to insert your flowers. Add the sunglasses and this piece is complete. The food can also be kept pretty simple. These cookies can be ordered from your local bakery. Rice Krispie treats can also be ordered, or you can make them by using pre-made treats and colored candy melts and flour sprinkles. These watermelon bites can be made by simply cutting up a watermelon and making triangle-shaped pieces at the rind. This swimming pool and flip-flops were made using a small cake with light blue icing and wafer snacks around the edges, placed with light colored icing. The flip-flops are Vienna fingers with melted candy for the design. The fruit kebabs can be made using your favorite fruits. I use strawberries, pineapples, and red and green grapes. You can cut out a simple Tiki Man design and add them to a skewer. These pineapple cake pops can also be ordered from your local bakery. To make these chocolate-covered pineapple slices, you can get a fresh pineapple and slice it. Cut them into slices and dip in melted candy and allow them to harden. For the glasses, you can take tall stemless glasses and apply an adhesive Tiki Man face. The birthday shirt was made using my Cricut. I cut out a two-tone pineapple and the word 7 and ironed it onto the front. You can't have a successful luau without several leis for guests. This year we had a small cake and a simple number. We added star balloons, a number 7, and an ocean backdrop. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.